Welcome to Sherman. Come on in. This is our basement. It's not the normal way people get in the house. Not many people come down here, but it is pretty nice. It's a good study space if you want to be left alone. We've got our lovely free pile that definitely needs reorganizing. And there's sometimes good stuff in there. I got a purse in there yesterday. And this is our tool shed closet thing that sometimes has tools in it. It's got a lot of stuff in here. I don't know. That's a place. We also have our laundry, which is also in our basement. If you want to come in here. It's lovely. Comes with free laundry detergent, which is great. Laundry's like $1.50 at cheapest for wash and dry, which is lovely. All of our little dryer racks. A steamer, which is lovely. And if we go this way, we've got another weird little basement room where people put their bikes and stuff. And here's that. Kind of got a really basement feel. Feels like I'm in a cabin. Okay. And we'll go upstairs. That's kind of it for the basement area. Heavy ass stairs. This is the normal area of Sherman where people actually are. We've got our guest and single bathroom there. No shower, but it is nice to have downstairs. Health cabinet, which is lovely. All of our mail, which I definitely have my mail I need to check. This is our kind of walk-in area. This is the normal front door. Got our lovely dining room here. The dining table and all of our food. And we've got a lovely little patio out here. This beautiful mural some Shermanite did many years ago. It's really nice right now, actually. This is the little outdoor space. We're hoping to have some more gardening stuff out here, but we'll see what happens. All of the doors automatically lock from the outside, so nobody can rob us. Kitchen area, my bagel that I'm gonna eat after this. This is our kitchen. So lovely. You are in the Sherman video. This is one of my housemates, Maya. Hey. Making breakfast. And just more kitchen, dry goods, huge sanitizer. It's kind of just a kitchen. Look at this one. Some lovely cookies that somebody made for the house because we bake for each other. This is our living room, which is really nice. Our currently also guest bedroom, if anybody wants to come and stay. Our nice couches, our huge TV, which is beautiful. Printers, which are pretty used. Games, our piano, which is nice. And this is our study room. Rumor has it has AC. I don't know how true that is, but here she is. Very peaceful. And we'll go upstairs. And hopefully maybe we'll get to see somebody's room. We'll see. But this is the stairs. This is first floor, basement. This will be the second floor where my room is, but she's grimy. You won't see. All of our lovely Sherman murals. This is our private bathroom, the only one we have. So it's got a shower and a toilet in there. Well, only private shower we have. Okay, yeah. This is one of our more shared bathrooms. So the sink is broken right now, but it is in the process of being fixed, so don't notice that. Little shower stalls, bathroom stalls, and a regular. Let's keep going. Keep going up. The classic Sherman mural. Mirrors when you need to check out your outfits. Fire escapes when you need to escape from fire. Oh, this door is another storage space. I don't actually know where the light is to turn it on in here, but it goes really far back. So if you have like luggage, extra furniture in your room, you basically can shove it in here. So, it's kind of scary. And then there's more bathrooms up here, and more showers. Showers here. The upstairs bathroom showers and toilets are separated. It's kind of cool. This is our lovely Sherman member who is willing to show their bedroom. This is definitely one of the nicer ones. This is normally a double, but because we're at low capacity, it is a single right now. So you're very lucky. But it's a pretty big sized room. I'd say this is definitely one of the bigger doubles. If you ever want to come and look at smaller ones or other rooms, like, let us know. But yeah, lovely view of the stadium. Yeah. But yeah, that's basically it. That's Sherman. That's kind of it. I don't know what else I'd show.